Hello kids, welcome back to your class again. So today we are going to learn the sound of sp and the sound of sw. For your, for your vocabulary, let's begin with spoon. Spoon. Next, this one is what we call spot. Spot. We have this spider. Spider. And last one, speak. Speak. Let's go for the swa sound. First we have swing. Swing. Next we have swim. Swim. And last one we have sweater. Sweater. And for your structure, can you, for example, can you swim? Then you'll say, yes, I can. No, I can't. First one, can you swim? Yes, I can. Can you swim? No, I can't. Can you swim? Yes, I can. And can you swim? No, I can't. And last one, can you speak? Yes, I can. And can you speak? No, I can't. And that is the end of your lesson for today. Bye kids and see you next time.